Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of Beyblade X BX-44 Tiger. Yeah, whatever his name is. Yeah, it's M-95 in BS. Okay. Let's get it open. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. There he is.
Which led to several minor disasters, including an incident with a garden gnome that Susan would bring up at every possible opportunity for years to come. They practiced wand movements in the garden, simple ones from the first-year textbooks Amelia had provided. Neville's borrowed
And BS. There we go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.